Morning students. Today we will start with our revision of lesson number 4 subtraction. So let us start now.
Now we will start with lesson number 4 subtraction. Today we will do the revision of lesson number 4 subtraction. So let us start. Arrange vertically and subtract. Here the numbers we have to arrange in vertical manner and then subtract. Now here we have to draw the table like this. What we will write here? We start from unit, tens, hundred and thousand. This space will leave empty. What is the first number here? 3245. We start from the units place. 5 in the unit place, 4 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place and 3 in the thousand place. Subtract minus from what is the other number? 1127. So 7 write in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place and 1 in the thousand place. Now we have to subtract. Let us start from the units place. 5 minus 7. Can we subtract 7 from 5? No, because 5 is a smaller number. So what we will do? We will untie 1 tens from 4. We will take 1 tens from 4 and 5 units from 5. Now this has become 15. And after subtracting 1, taking 1 tenth from 4, what will remain in this place? 4 minus 1 is 3. Now it has become, we have taken 1 tenth from 4 and 5 from units. Now it has become 15 units. Now from 15 units we have to subtract 7. So 15 minus 7 is how much? 15 minus 7 is how much? 8. So here we will write down 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Here what has given here? 3 tenths. So 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is our answer here? This is our answer. 2 is in the thousand place. So how will we write this number? 2180. The second sum. 6007 minus 2345. Again we need to draw the table. Units 10, 100, 1000. 6007. We will write in this table. We will start from the units place. 7, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place and 6 in the thousand place. Minus 2345. 5 in the units place, 4 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousand place. After arranging the numbers, we have to subtract. We will start from the units place. 7 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 7? Yes, because 7 is greater than 5. 7 minus 5 is how much? Yes? 7 minus 5 is 2. Now, 0 minus 4. Can we subtract 4 from 0? No. Then what we can do? We can take 1 tenth from the other number. But here also we have 0. So, what we will do? We will take 1 tenth from 6. 1 tenth we will take from 6 and 0 from unit. And after taking 1 tenth from 6, what will remain here is 5. Now here it has become 10. 0 we have taken from unit. Now it has become 10. Now again from 1 here we have to take 1 tenth from this 10 and 0 from this. After taking 1 tens from 10, what will remain here is 9. Now here it has become how much? 10. Can we subtract 4 from 10? Yes. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. Here what has remained here? 9. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. Now here 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. Have you all understood? 1 tens we have taken from 6. After taking 1 tens from 6, what is remain here? 5 and 1 here and 0 1 here. It has become now tens. Then again we have to take 1 tens from this 10. Here we have taken 1 and this 0 here as it is. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then we have subtracted 10 from 4 from 10. It is 6. 3 from 9 is 6. 2 minus 5 is 3. So our answer is 3662. Have you all understood? Now our next sum, arrange horizontally and subtract. Just now only we have seen how to arrange the numbers vertically. Now we will see how to arrange them in horizontal manner and then subtract. Horizontal means in this manner only we have to subtract. So what is our number? 8740 minus what is our second number? 3520. So we will write here 3520. Now we don't have to draw the table directly, we have to subtract in the horizontal manner. So we will start from the units place. 0 in the units place here and 0 in the units place here. 0 minus 0 is how much? It is 0. Now we will see the number in the tens place. What is in the tens place? 2 and here 4. 4 minus 2 is how much? 4 minus 2 is, answer is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we will see the number in the hundredths place. 5 in the hundredth place here and 7 in the hundredths place here. So 5 we will subtract from 7. 7 minus 5 is how much? 7 minus 5 is 2. Now we will see the number in the thousand place. So 3 in the thousand place here and 8 in the thousand place here. So 3 we will subtract from 8. 8 minus 3 is how much? 8 minus 3 is 5. So what is our answer here? 5220. Now we will see here the next second sum. 9586 minus 432. We have to subtract. So we will write here 9586 minus 432. 432. How we will subtract? We have to subtract in horizontal manner. So we will start from the units place. 2 we will subtract from 6. Here 2 is in the units place and here 6 in the units place. So 2 we will subtract from 6. So 6 minus 2 is how much? 6 minus 2 is 4. Now we will see the number which is in the tens place. What is in the tens place here? 3 we will subtract from 8. 8 minus 3 is how much? 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 3 is 5. Now we will see the number which is in the hundredths place. 4 in the hundredths place and 5 here is in the hundredths place. So we will subtract Now, is there any number in the thousand place here? No. But here we have number in the thousand place. So this number we will write down there as it is. So what will come here? 9. We have subtracted 2 from 6. We have got 4. 3 from 8. 5. And 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. And this one 9 we will write down there as it is. So this is our final answer. 9154. Now we will see subtraction of 5-digit number. How to subtract the 5-digit numbers. First sum, 42,750 minus 21,680. Again we have to draw the table in this manner. First will be unit, next column tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then we have to place this number in this table. First we will start from the unit. 5 will come in the unit place, 1 in the tens place, 7 in the 100 place, 2 in the 1000 place and 4 in the 10,000 place. Same for the other number, 8 in the unit place, 1 in the tens place, 6 in the 100 place, 1 in the 1000 place and 2 in the 10,000 place. Now we will subtract. Can we subtract 8 from 5? We cannot subtract from 8 from 5 because 5 is the smaller number. So what we will take? We will take 1/10 from the next number. But other number is also, it is equal to that the number below. So again we have to take 1/10 from the other number. So we will take 1/10 from 7 and this one unit from here. When we take 1/10 from 7, so what will come here? 7 minus 1, it will become 6. Now this 11, from this 11 we will take 1/10 from this 11. So again 1/10 from this 11 and 1 unit from 5. By taking 1/10 from 11, it becomes 11 minus 1 is 10. Now it has become 15. Can we subtract 15? Can we subtract 8 from 15? Yes. 15 minus 8 is how much? 15 minus 8 is how much? 15 minus 8, we will get 7. Now we will see the 10th column. 10 minus 1 is how much? 10 minus 1 is 9. Now here 6 minus 6 is how much? 6 minus 6 is 0. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is our answer. 21,000. Here in the 100 place it is 0. And it is last number is 9 and 7. So 21,097. Now we will see the next sum. 84,540 minus 24,899. Now again we have to draw the table and place the number in their proper place value. We will start from the unit place. Now we have placed the number in their proper place value. Let us subtract now. We will start from the unit place. Can we subtract 9 from 0? No. What we can do? We can take 1/10 from the 4. But 4 is also smaller than 9. So we cannot take from here. We will see the next number then. But 5 is also smaller than 8. So we cannot take 1/10 from this also. We will see the next number. 4 is also equal to 4. But so we cannot take 1/10 from this number also. Now we will see the next number. 8. Can we take 1/10 from 8? Yes, because 8 is greater than 2. So from this number we can take 1/10. And what will remain here? 8 minus 1. It will become 7. And 4 from unit. Now this number has become 14. Can we take now 1 unit 1/10 from 14? Yes. We will take 1 tens from 40. It will become what here? 40 minus 1. It will become 30. And 5 from this unit. Now it has become 15. Can we take 1 tens from 15 now? Yes. 1 tens from 15 and 4 from unit. 1 tens from 15, what will remain here? 15 minus 1 is what? 40. Now can we take 1 tens from 40? Yes. We will take 1 tens from 40 and 0 unit. After taking 1 tens from 14, what will remain here? 30. Now we can subtract. The number has become greater than the number below. Now can we subtract 9 from 10? Yes, because 10 is greater than 9. So 9 we can subtract from 10. 10 minus 9 is how much? 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 will remain. 13 minus 9 is how much? Yes, 13 minus 9 is 13 minus 9 is 4. So what will come here? 4. Now 40 minus 8. What will remain? What is 14 minus 8? See. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. So we will write here 6. Now we will see in the thousand place. 30 minus 4 is how much? 30 minus 4 is 9. Now we will see the thousand place. 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is our final answer. What is in thousand place? 5. Sorry, 5 in the 10,000 place. In the thousand place 9, 100 place 6. Tens place 4 and units place 1. So how we will read this number as 59,641.
Kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.